Arbitrum might be about to unlock a new level of growth thanks to TraderJoe, Avalanche's largest decentralized exchange, DX. However, that will depend on whether the Arbitrum DAO will be approved TraderJoe's new grant proposal. The TraderJoe reportedly submitted a new grant proposal to Arbitrum DAO. If approved, Arbitrum will receive 1.83 billion ARB with just over $1.5 billion at current market value. Avalanche DEX will reportedly use the grant to create more incentives aimed at attracting more users to the Arbitrum network. TraderJoe, the largest DEX on Avalanche, has submitted a 1.83 million ARB grant application proposal to Arbitrum DAO. The proposal states that the grant will be used to support the Arbitrum 1 protocol, all of which will be used for liquidity incentives to attract more users too. Wu blockchain and September 26, 2023. So why is TraderJoe pushing toward Arbitrum? Well, it turns out that Arbitrum is one of the fastest growing Ethereum Layer 2 networks. This is because many people use the network for its more cost-effective nature as compared to the Ethereum mainnet. As such, TraderJoe could benefit from access to Arbitrum's growing user base. The announcement about TraderJoe's grant application proposal came at a time when Arbitrum was seen enhancing its focus toward growth. Arbitrum recently disclosed that it's working on interesting projects during its latest ecosystem development update. It also has that parents of people. Round 1 of the Arbitrum DAO Security Council elections complete. The Arbitrum are permanent. Sepolia testnet is now live. The new Arbitrum portal is here. 2.5 Arbitrum, September 25th, 2023. While TraderJoe's application's not yet been approved, it underscores more potential opportunities to expand Arbitrum's user base. This could in turn generate more value for both the network and the DEX. But where does this leave the ARB token? Well, here's some interesting outcome that we observed recently. ARB's supply distribution recently registered a substantial dip in whale balances. Addresses holding between 1,000 and 1 billion ARB recently provided registered substantial outflows between 24 and 25th September. Despite the observed dip in most whale addresses, the supply held by whales with over 1 billion coins, the pink line, grew substantially. This suggested that the top whales have been taking advantage of discounted prices to accumulate more. This could explain why the weighted sentiment recently achieved its highest spike. In the last 4 weeks, ARB's on-chain volume remained low despite the sentiment spike. Perhaps a sign that the optimism has not yet yielded a significant outcome in terms of demand. An assessment of ARB's price action revealed that it did not dip as much as one would expect despite the recent sell pressure. So this is because the accumulation by top whales may have prevented more downside. ARB exchanged hands at 0.82 cents at press high. Furthermore, ARB's relative strength index indicated that the bulls have been gaining strength and might be keen on maintaining the status quo. The money flow index confirmed that liquidity has overall been flowing into the ARB token.